Hello, Maya.
Hey Alex. What's going on? Having some trouble with your PS5?
Ugh, you wouldn't believe it, Maya. I keep getting kicked out of PlayStation Network with this weird error code WS-117178-5. Any idea what that is?
Calmly, hey, don't worry. Error codes can be confusing, but let's see what we can do. WS-117178-5 usually pops up after a PlayStation Network update. Did you see any prompts about accepting new terms and conditions lately?
Now that you mention it, there might have been something. But I just hit cancel and went straight to playing. Maybe that's the problem?
Probably. Sometimes those updates include changes to their terms you gotta agree to keep using online features. Try restarting your PS5 completely. When it boots back up, there might be a prompt about accepting the update.
Okay, restarting now. Whoa, there it is. Accepting the terms now.
Excellent. That might be all it takes. If not, let me know. We have a few other things to try.
Okay, so it didn't work. Back to the error message.
Don't sweat it. Did you check the PlayStation Network service status online? Sometimes the issue might be on Sony's end.
No, I didn't even think of that. Let me check. Huh, the website says everything is running smoothly.
Okay, next trick. Can you try signing in to your PlayStation account through the phone app? Maybe you can accept the update there.
Worth a shot, no luck. Still getting the error.
Alright, how about two-step verification? Remember that extra security layer with the codes. Make sure it's set up correctly and you have access to any verification methods needed.
Two-step is definitely on, and I have my phone with me for the codes.
Okay. Last but not least, check your internet connection. A weak signal can cause all sorts of weird errors. Try switching to a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi. Also, see if there are any PS5 system software updates available and install them.
Let me try the wired connection. Bingo! I'm finally signed in.
Awesome. That did it. See, most of the time these errors have simple solutions.
Thanks a million, Maya. You're a lifesaver. Now, time to get back to that game.
Anytime, Alex. Happy gaming.